sayona, sayona, sasinende nje sayona.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Abantu bayangibheka manje bajongele Beyonce ngiyenzayo Miss National. Guys, we're here to support my friend Miss Campus, and yeah, it's so windy. Hi, welcome back to my channel.
Are you guys excited? Are you ready to crown your Mr. and Mrs. Campus? Are you ready to crown your Mr. and Mrs. Campus? Just a quick announcement, right?
Hi everyone, my name is Snenhlanhla, the outgoing Deputy Chairperson of the Students' Campus Council, equally the outgoing SRC Fundraising and Projects Officer, a member of Senate, a member of the Institutional
That was so beautiful, my lady. Introduce yourself.
Don't be afraid to put yourself in an uncomfortable position in life, because that's how you might develop the resilience to handle whatever life throws at you. Greetings, my name is Swimwear, all the way from the beautiful province of KwaZulu-Natal. Never be forgotten. Thank you. recycled wear were to fix the bridge between generations. I'm wearing the brand by Mr. Price, and the reason I chose this brand is because it speaks directly to the youth, as it's affordable, sustainable. I would use my recycled wear to make people know that it's not about the price tag you're wearing, but how you rock that, and that despite your background, you can rock whatever you have on confidence. And fashion is not about the price tag, but it's about how you rock it.
Oh, I said say pony. God, yes me.